welcome to my RomanHavasi tutorials. This is the basic step with variation. If you haven't done the first video, please feel free to watch that first. We will go through the basic step with weight transfer before and then come back to this one. So with our basic step, we're going to take away the weight transfer for accents. So our basic step is going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the first thing I can do is stand still on 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On those first two I can add accents. For example, hip accents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the second option we can do for an accent is to freeze on the first part. So instead of stepping forward and bouncing, you just freeze. I'm going to do 1, 2. My weight is on my left leg. I'm just putting the right leg down. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Shifting my weight. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To make this accent stronger, I can put weight onto this leg, so my weight is equal on both legs. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On that freeze, I can add a twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The twist is soft, so my glutes are relaxed. I twist forward using my abdominals, my upper abdomen here. So when I twist my right hip forward, my glutes are relaxed, and I'm going to go right, left, right. Right, left, right. And relax. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Again, forward with the right, right, left, right. Working forwards here. Basic twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The third option, without changing your weight, is stepping outwards with one leg without shifting your weight like we did in the last video. So I'm just going to pose with my foot, keeping my main weight on my left leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On this step, shoulder accents are very nice. For example, rolling your shoulders, 3, 4, 5. Roll shoulders, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you can do shoulder accent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do 4 of each. 5, 6, 1, 2, freeze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and twist. Twist, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. Now out with your foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 and freeze. Freeze. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 and twist. Twist, twist. Back and step. Twist, twist. Back and step. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 2. Now freeze to the side. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope you enjoyed those variations of the basic step. Practice these and join me in the third video for the side step.